welcome to Junior's Art. And you already know that today I'm gonna draw a tasty and a sweetie candy. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every day. And here you can see I have started with drawing a circle, and I have drawn two more tiny circles as the candy's eye. And here's a tiny bow. Pretty good. Oops, this is not perfect. Okay, let's clean the previous part. Cool. Wow, candy drawing is done, but I have marked his cheeks area. Let's do the outline. Her eyes are looking amazing. Now let's color it. I will use yellow all over the candy. just a little red for the bow as usual for its cheeks. The candy is lovely, so let's draw some hearts. And I will fill the hearts with red. This is how you can draw a candy within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.